In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel meeting in Google Calendar. Whether plans have changed or you're cleaning up your schedule, this quick walkthrough will show you the exact clicks to remove a meeting and handle guest notifications the right way. First, open Google Calendar. The easiest way is to go to the Calendar website in your browser and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. If you manage multiple calendars, glance at the left sidebar to confirm the calendar that holds the meeting is visible. This ensures you're looking at the right place before making changes. Next, click the meeting or event you want to cancel. You can do this from day, week, or month view, whatever you prefer. If your calendar is busy, use the search bar at the top to find the title quickly. When you click the event, a details window will open, showing the title, date, and time, and any invited guests. Now click the trash can icon to delete the event. You'll typically see this icon near the top of the event details window. When you click it, Google Calendar may ask for a bit more information. If the meeting is part of a recurring series, you might be prompted to choose whether you're deleting just this one date or the entire series. Pick the option that matches what you intend to cancel, then continue. Finally, choose whether to notify guests. You'll see two options, send or don't send, selecting send emails a cancellation notice to all invited guests, which is generally the best choice when others are depending on the meeting. It's considerate and helps avoid confusion. If it was a test event, a duplicate, or something only you saw, you can choose Don't Send to skip notifications. Keep in mind, guests won't receive an email if you pick Don't Send, even though the event will no longer appear on their calendars. After you make your choice, the event will be removed from your calendar view. If you act quickly and realize you deleted the wrong item, look for an undo prompt that briefly appears. Also, a quick note. Only the event organizer can cancel a meeting for everyone. If you don't see the trash can icon, you likely aren't the organizer for that event. That's it. Open Google Calendar, click the event, hit the trash can, and decide whether to notify guests. With these simple steps and a thoughtful choice about notifications, you'll keep your calendar and everyone else's clean, accurate, and up to date.